Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds OPPO Enco Air 3i with your PC. You'll have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, you need to press this line or click Enter. Now, you need to click Add Device button at the right top. If you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. And in this window, you need to select Bluetooth. After that, open the charging case, and if your earbuds are not connected with another devices, they will enter to prank mode automatically. But also we can enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of each earbud, we have touch areas. You need to press and hold both of this touch area until the LED lights start blinking white, like what I have right now. And then we should see them at the device list. Click on them, and then click. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!